Hi guys, today I am going to show you how we can connect our custom domain to group funnels. Let's start. First, open group pages where I have already built a landing page. This is my landing page. I will connect a custom domain here. Let's click on publish. After clicking on publish, you will see that kind of interface. Now click on edit domain. Here is the option to create your subdomain on group funnels. If you want to add your custom domain to group pages, then you have to click on add domain. Here type your domain name. If you don't want to host your domain to group pages, then click on no thanks and click on save. To add your custom domain, they have some instruction. Instruction 1, create a CNAME record from your domain for host10.grouppages.com, and another is make sure you enable flexible SSL on your domain. Let's go to Cloudflare. Here already I have an account, so I have already logged in there. If you are new to Cloudflare, you have to sign up here by providing your email address and password and click on create account. Let's connect our domain to Cloudflare. To connect our domain to Cloudflare, here is the option add site. Click on add site. Here provide your domain name and click on add site. After clicking on add site button, you will see that kind of interface. Here is the plan of Cloudflare, but we will go with free option. Just scroll down. Here is the free option. Just click on it and click on continue. Now Cloudflare scanning your existing domain DNS records. After complete the scanning, you will see that kind of interface. Here is the all DNS records that provided by your hosting. Now click on continue. This is your hosting name servers, and these two are the Cloudflare name servers. You have to replace these name servers with these name servers at your domain provider. Now go to your domain provider. I have taken this domain from name.com, so I am going to log in there. Click on login. After providing your username and password, click on login. I have logged in to the domain provider. This is my domain. Click here. Here is the name servers. I have to change this name servers with this name server. Now click on manage name servers. Click on delete all. Go to the Cloudflare. Copy the first name server. Paste it here. Click on add name server. Again go to Cloudflare and copy the second one and paste it here. Click on add name server. Now click on save change. Change saved successfully. Update applied successfully. Now your name servers are changed with Cloudflare name servers. Now go to Cloudflare and scroll down and click on done. Check name servers. Here is the quick start guide. You can do it later, but I am doing it now. Click on improve security. Make sure automatic HTTPS rewrites should be on. Click on save. Always use HTTPS should be on. Click on save. Auto minify JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Leave it as it is. Click on save. Broadly leave as it is and click on save. Here is the summary. Make sure automatic HTTPS rewrites should be on. Always use HTTPS should be on. Now click on finish. Let's go to Cloudflare Home by clicking here. Here is our added domain status. Pending name servers update. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to update. Let's click on it. Go to SSL/TLS. Make sure your SSL/TLS encryption mode is full. Let's check again the status of our added domain by clicking here. Till now, it is pending. Let's wait for a few minutes to update it. Now our added domain status is active. Now click on it. Great news! Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Now click on DNS. Here is the all DNS details of your hosting for your domain. First check all the previous CNAME records. If they are present any CNAME type record with www or any A type record with your domain name, you have to delete those records first. Now I am deleting this record. Click on edit, click on delete, again click on delete. A type record with domain name was deleted. Now I am deleting CNAME type record with www. Click on edit, click on delete, again click on delete. Now A type record with domain name and CNAME type record with www was deleted from here. Now click on add record. Type should be cname, name should be @ and the target should be host10.grouppages.com. Now click on save. Also, you need to add a CNAME record with www. Click on add record. Type should be CNAME, name should be www, target should be host10.grouppages.com. Now click on save. Our CNAME records are added. Now go to group funnels. Click on update. Here is the details update notification. Now click on here. Here is your domain. Select this domain and click on publish website. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to update. After complete the process, they will show this green color notification. And again click on publish. Now click here to see your updated page. I think this is the caching problem, so I am opening this domain to incognito mode. Yeah, now your group pages landing page is published to your domain. Here is the landing page. Thanks for watching my group funnels custom domain adding video. That's for today. I will come back again with another new video for you. If you like this video and it's helpful to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get instant notification of my new posts and share this video. Bye bye. Let's meet in the new video. Stay safe and stay healthy.